Today, we will continue trading with our best momentum scalping strategy by using our best indicator. We will do a full analysis of every aspect of day trading. We have so much to learn. If you are good to go, let's do this. Let's take a look at one of the top gainer coins today, GLM. This coin was really interesting and extremely educational to learn the risk management. As usual, let us start from the weekly charts and do a full top-down analysis. In the weekly chart, you can notice the mega swing failure pattern at the bottom and this large imbalance area at the top. These two are great signs for buyers, but as a day trader, we are more concerned with much closer price action. What I have noticed this coin was very close to its previous weekly high. The asset was directly heading towards here. This was boosting my bullish bias on this coin. However, the daily chart was not that much exciting. All I could see here were two things: the ongoing rally for a really long time and this previous day low sweep, which can be more fuel for the buyers. Now, up until this moment, everything is great. I got my strong bullish bias. And what is next? The next step is using our momentum layout, basically our most important layout from the MASTERCLASS 3 layout system. And of course, we'll be using our free indicator called ICT, High Time Frame Candles. Let's discover that what is this indicator showing me right here. First of all, notice this bottom area. Price was ranging for days and hours, basically accumulating the orders. Remember, after long accumulations, a rally is expected. This is our initial rally. We almost never trade initial rallies because we miss them most of the time. Generally, we sleep. But with our indicator, we are here to catch the secondary rally. Notice this 30-minute imbalance here. Price pulls back, rests, and fuels up. This is our entry zone. And then the secondary rally starts. But where is the secondary rally heading towards? Yes, to take out the previous week high. Now, do you understand the importance of what I teach in the masterclass with 3 layout system? Now, I want to get closer in this 30-minute chart again, one more time, before moving even lower time frames. Notice this yellow point really carefully. Price taps it, and the second leg of the mega rally starts to take out the previous week high. In my opinion, this is a masterpiece. Now, let's drop to the 1 minute and seek entries. In the 1 minute chart, things change because we have serious problems. I see this very nice downtrend liquidity above. This is great. However, the problem is I see the same thing below. This is a very high risk trade right now because price can make one more downswing to take out all the liquidity before rallying upwards to the previous week high. No one knows the answer here. The only thing I can do is here reduce my risk, cut in half and risk less money if I am to take this trade. As you can see, there is a weak market structure break here with a nice imbalance. This is your entry point for a clear 2-hour in and out setup. Now, if we observe this whole trade, what we have? Very good bias. This is great. Okay, momentum, just using one momentum imbalance, but very bad, poor entry area. So the 3 layout system is not perfectly aligned in this trade. So what did we do? We just reduced our risk and dynamically managed the risk. Okay, friends. This is a really nice Sunday. Time to have some break and relax. See you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.